Hey everyone! Ruby got some new tattoos today along with window tint, and I thought I would show everyone. We have the JL Wrangler windshield decal banner. I got this from Wayolife. I think it looks pretty sweet. It lets everyone on the road know that this is a JL Wrangler. Rubicon, that is. And then here's the window tint I decided to go with. I did not go with 15% tint this time. Reason being, the hardtop privacy glass, it's already tinted to 20%. So I wanted to save myself some money and not really tint over tint. So I went with 20% this time. Same exact tint as I had on my Nissan 350Z. Very easy to see out of during the day and also very easy to see out of at night too. Here's my second tattoo that I put on Ruby. That's my state there, along with the lovely Wrangler Jeep grill. Here's what it looks like from this side, you guys, too. But yeah, I love this tint. It would have cost a few $100 more probably to do the other windows. So it only cost me $85 for the two windows, passenger and driver side for the front. I think it looks good. 15 to 20% is not a drastic difference anyways. Here's another look. I cannot roll my windows down for 2 days, as usual, just until the tint kind of settles. But that is what 20% tint looks like. Still somewhat hard to see in. You have to get pretty close so to be able to actually really see inside. Even then, your visibility is a little bit limited with looking inside the vehicle. So belongings should be nice and secure. So happy I went with the white badge too. I think it really pops on the red Jeep. It's a 2019 two-door Jeep Rubicon JL in Firecracker Red. So I hope that this video really helps give you guys an idea of what the Wayolife windshield banner decal looks like, along with that Oregon Jeep grill sticker on the back. I got that one off of Etsy for those of you guys who are wondering where I got it. The bottom portion of that sticker though, guys, is a little bit crooked from the gal who makes them online, so there's not really a way around that. Just want to be honest with you guys. So yeah, I hope that this video kind of helps give you guys a depiction of what 20% tint looks like on a Firecracker Red Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. Until next time, everyone, have a good one and keep Jeeping on. Bye, guys.